But he's always been super CM. You see, that's the dichotomy of our democracy, that he has become Raksha Mantri, and I'm sorry to say, but as defense minister, his performance has certainly been under question. I don't think there has been any defense minister before who has been so disinterested in his job. It's a very important job. It's one of the top jobs in the government. But I don't think he's really, lived up to the stature of a defense minister that is required. And you talked about super CM and super CM. We don't know how many layers there are. But the fact is that Mr. Gadkari has come and given a new twist to the story. So they might as well be frank and upfront and say that so-and-so will be the CM face. But they're shying away from that for obvious reasons. So we'll know the internal pulls and pressures of the BJP, what might come out after March 11th, we don't know. But I can tell you that they're not forming the government in Goa. Therefore, I'm confident that we will form a government on our own. And this is also reflected with the fact that चुनाव आने वाले थे, तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी एलाइज को ढूंढने के लिए बहुत कोशिश किया और कांग्रेस पार्टी को ढूंढने की बहुत एलाइज ने कोशिश की है. BJP was seeking allies and the allies were seeking the Congress party, but we decided after due consideration that we will contest on our own.